I thought I'd give you a quick look at these IBCs. So obviously they're 1,000 litre, 1,000 kilo, chemical, water tote, whatever you want to use them for. So forks at the bottom to pick up, big tap. So the actual tanks are really good. They're held down either in this sort of fashion or, oh no, these are all the same. So these are all not too bad a version, but you'll see here, just take note of this. This is just a sort of L bracket, the way it's held down. So you take them out, pop them out, and if you cut the tank on the diagonal all the way around, you end up getting 2 lids out of each tank. So, which is good for when you get, sometimes you can get deliveries of just the cage without the bladders, which means they're still useful, especially if you've already got, you know, every single one of them you get with the bladder, you get 2 lids from. So you'll see on this version here, I sometimes cut them out a bit deeper now. This one's a bit shallow, so I only cut this one. I can easily fix it. I've only cut it, leaving it to lean over a fair bit. It's easier, holds the wood in better, but it's better if you have it the other way so you can get in better. So that's one with the lid on. So just simple wire twitch I found worked the best to hold them on at the back. And then this version had more of a bend in it, so it's actually more of a U shape that used to go over and hold, which works really good because you can see it wedges on down there. You tap it out, then you can lift the lid and you can hook that wherever you want to, like that. Bang it on. You gotta be quick. Bang it on, and then your lid's held up for you to access and do what you need to do. So it's not going to fall on your head, it's not in the way. Folding all the way back, then you end up sort of catching and bending this, so being able to hold it at that angle works really well. And then the top's just screwed in, just a bolt, a bit of a rubber, I put a bit of rubber plate on that one just to spread the load a little bit. Then you're good to go.